Embarking on the journey of backyard beekeeping can transform your garden into a buzzing haven of productivity and sweetness. This guide lays out the essential steps and equipment needed to begin this rewarding hobby. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Understanding bee behavior. The first step in your beekeeping adventure is to understand the behavior of bees. These industrious insects follow a complex social structure and communicate through dances and pheromones. A healthy hive is a symphony of organized activity, with each bee playing a specific role, from foragers and workers to the queen herself. Appreciating the intricacies of bee behavior will not only make you a better beekeeper but will also deepen your connection to the natural world. Choosing the right equipment. Investing in the right equipment is crucial for both the safety of the beekeeper and the health of the hive. Here are the essentials. Bee suit. A full bee suit with gloves and a veil protects you from stings while you inspect and manage your hive. Hive tool. This versatile instrument helps you pry apart hive boxes, scrape off excess wax, and perform general hive maintenance. Smoker. A smoker calms the bees during hive inspections, making them less likely to sting by masking their alarm pheromones. Beehive. There are various types of hives, but Langstroth and top bar hives are particularly beginner-friendly. Each has its own advantages, depending on your beekeeping goals and space. Selecting and installing bees. Choosing the right bees is critical for a successful beekeeping experience. Local beekeeping clubs can offer advice on the best bees for your area's climate and flora. Once you've acquired your bees, gently introduce them to their new hive, ensuring they have enough space to grow and access to water and foraging areas. Ongoing care and maintenance. Regularly inspecting your hive is essential to prevent disease and ensure your colony is thriving. This includes checking for pests, such as mites, and diseases like foulbrood or nosema. Additionally, managing the hive space to prevent swarming and providing supplemental feeding during lean months will help your bees stay healthy and productive. Harvesting honey. The sweet reward of beekeeping is harvesting your own honey. This typically occurs at the end of summer, when bees have produced excess honey. Using a honey extractor and adhering to hygienic practices ensures you'll enjoy the pure, unadulterated taste of your hard work. Beekeeping in your backyard not only yields delicious honey but also supports the health of your local ecosystem through pollination. By following these essential steps, you'll embark on a fulfilling journey that connects you more deeply with nature and provides a sanctuary for these vital insects.